Hutchinson Mechanical in Wilkes-Barre Township, Pennsylvania offers manufacturing solutions. We offer engineering and design of manufacturing-specific heating, ventilation, or plumbing. We offer problem solving and we are your partner in performance. Sole source responsibility, from customer fact-finding to engineering to installation designed for the toughest industrial and commercial environments. Our engineers craft thoughtful designs and specifications that ensure stability and efficiency. Faced with a challenge? Our precision planning guarantees seamless operation. Our problem-solving skills are unparalleled, offering value engineering to keep your operations running smoothly. And for specialized applications, we design fluoropolymer heat exchangers, ensuring resistance against harsh chemicals and high temperatures. We don't just build systems, we engineer reliability. Go to www.hutchinson-mechanical.com or email davehutchinson@protonmail.com. Building the future of industry, one project at a time.